Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here today.
And Gianna.
Today we're going to be preparing for you Asparagi con prosciutto e Parmigiano, which is
Asparagus with prosciutto and Parmesan cheese.
This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started.
Here are the ingredients that we need. Asparagus, prosciutto, Parmesan cheese, salt, and black pepper.
Okay, I'm going to sprinkle a little black pepper. I just took them out of the oven. As you can see, they are gorgeous. You can make them a little more charred if you want. Put them in a broiler for 2 to 3 minutes. If not, they're perfectly done like this. It's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.